Hey viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet. I hope you are all fine. I pray that you will always be happy and well wherever you are. Today I'm showing you very stylish and attractive crochet cardigans designs and ideas. If you want to make beautiful cardigans, short cardigans, long cardigans, lacy cardigans and different type of cardigans, in my video you will see 50 plus cardigans design, and you can make beautiful cardigans with the help of my video. So my dear friend, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share my video with your friend and your family. I want to introduce you to my YouTube channel. In my channel, I upload lots of video about crochet designs, knitted designs, different type of crochet designing ideas you will get from my YouTube channel, like cardigans, sweaters, baby shoes, baby booties, baby dresses, bed sheets, cushions, blanket, floor mat, and lots of things you can see in my video in my channel. So my dear friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also share my video with your friend and your family. And if you like my video, please press the like button. Today I'm showing you most beautiful and attractive crochet cardigans designs in different shapes, short and long, granny square patterns, dolly patterns, and different crochet stitch. So my dear friend, after watching the video, you must comment in the comment section how was the video and what you want to see on our channel videos. And thank you so much guys for your positive feedback in my previous videos. Your positive feedback encourage me and motivate me to bring more useful and classy videos for you guys. And my dear friend, if you want to get these beautiful crochet designs, images in HD quality, you can get these beautiful designs from my website www.crocheted.net. Please visit my website and download unlimited crochet designs free of cost in HD quality. So my dear friends, please visit my website. I hope you like my video. So my dear friends, please press the like button if you like my video. Please friends, share my video with your friends and your family, because everyone needs styling. Sharing your video will help them too, and you will help me. Somehow I will keep bringing good videos for you guys. At the same time, I would like ask your permission to leave. See you soon in another nice video. Until then, take care of yourself. Thank you. If you want to get these beautiful crochet designs in HD quality, please visit my website www.crochet.net and download unlimited crochet design patterns in free of cost. Thank you.